Chapter 8 Gaming in MakeCode Arcade. Chapter outline. In this chapter, you will learn more about MakeCode Arcade, creating a shooting game. KB. Ambi, I have worked in Scratch as well as MakeCode Arcade. Ambi. Good, KB. KB. I find Scratch is more useful than MakeCode Arcade. Ambi. That is not true, KB. Every app has its own field advantages and disadvantages. KB. You mean to say that there are something in MakeCode Arcade which cannot be done in Scratch? Ambi. Yes, KB. Let me tell you about some exclusive features of MakeCode Arcade. MakeCode Arcade. MakeCode Arcade is an online platform that uses Microsoft's MakeCode language to build fun, colorful games. It is simple and can be used to create complex and intricate games. You have learnt about use of different blocks in MakeCode Arcade. Let us integrate these blocks to develop codes for games. Creating a shooting game. Let us develop the assets, environment and code for a simple shooting game by following these steps. Step 1. Open the web browser and open the web page www.arcade.makecode.com. Step 2. Click on the New Project button, figure 8.1, to start a new project. The Create a Project dialog box, figure 8.2, will open. Step 3. In the text box, type a name for your game. Here we have used the name Shoot Me. Step 4. Click on the Create button. Step 5. Click on the Assets tab on the top. Step 6. Click on the Create a New Asset button, figure 8.3, and create the assets shown in figure 8.4a to G one by one. These assets are player sprite, which will be controlled by the player, enemy sprite, which will be controlled by the computer randomly, garden, which will be used as the background of the game, bullet, which will be used for aiming at the opponent, reviving sprite, which will be flashed when the player sprite will be shot and hit by the enemy sprite, reloading sprite, which will be animation played when the bullets will be reloaded by the player sprite, success sprite, which will be an animation played when the enemy sprite will be shot and hit by the player sprite. Step 7. Under the Blocks tab, click on the Variables category. Step 8. Click on the Make a Variable button to create the variables shown in figure 8.5 one by one. Step 9. Create the code shown in figure 8.6 to define the values of the variables at the start of the game. Step 10. Create the code shown in figure 8.7 to define a function shoot which shoots 3 bullets at a time when the gun is loaded. Step 11. Create the code shown in figure 8.8 to define the action that happens upon pressing buttons A and B. The code in figure 8.8a specifies that when button A is pressed, the player will shoot bullets on the enemy if the gun is loaded. Figure 8.8b specifies that when button B is pressed, the player will reload the empty gun. Step 12. Create the code shown in figure 8.9 to define the actions that happen when the user is playing the game. The code in figure 8.9a specifies the movement of the player's sprite when left and right arrow keys are pressed. The code in figure 8.9b specifies the movement of the opponent's sprite towards right and left. The code in figure 8.9c specifies the movement of the bullets when the gun is triggered by pressing A button. Step 13. Create the code shown in figure 8.10 to define what happens when the bullets touch the playing sprites. The code in figure 8.10a defines the on-screen animation when the player is hit by the opponent's bullets. Figure 8.10b defines the on-screen animation when the opponent is hit by the player's bullets. Click on the play button in the game simulator to start and play the game. Tech terms. MakeCode Arcade. An online platform that uses Microsoft's MakeCode language to build fun, colorful games. Game Simulator. A section in MakeCode Arcade used by game designers for testing the game being designed.